Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have recently incorporated double cleansing into my skincare routine. And this TATCHA Camellia Cleansing Oil has been the perfect first step in this routine. This oil is extremely nourishing and gentle on my sensitive skin. At the end of the day, after wearing makeup all day and my face might feel a bit oily and weighed down with pollutants, it feels so good to massage this oil into my skin. I can definitely see and feel it just breaking down all of that makeup and grime off of my face. After I rinse it off, I follow up with my regular facial cleanser, and my face feels so much more cleaner than when I used to use my facial cleanser alone. It doesn't matter if I was wearing a full face of makeup, every single speck of it is gone. My skin feels really clean without feeling stripped. I absolutely love that feeling, and it means that my skin is primed and ready for any other skincare products that I'm going to apply afterwards. I have been loving the results from using this Camellia Cleansing Oil, and I am definitely going to keep using it as part of my routine. And that's just my point of view.